Multiply 2.49 by 100 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. The third partial product is 24,900. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at A. Time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 9 is 9. In the thousands column, 0 plus 4 is 4. In the 10,000s column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 24,900. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 24,900 becomes 249.00. That is simply 249. So 2.49 times 100 is 249.